Hi everyone, my name is Farzam and I'm going to present the third part of our presentation, which is educational software, rubrics for evaluating software, and some examples. The most common software used in teaching foreign languages is a CD-ROM based software that works with a CD, of course, and the lesson could be a textbook is on the CD, and there are some exercises provided also, and some reinforcement and enhancement exercises. The most famous CD-ROM based softwares in the market are Instant Immersion, Cambridge Latin Courses, Talk Now, and Complete Grammar series. To evaluate the software for teaching foreign languages, three main aspects are considered. These aspects are basic instruction, reinforcement, and enhancement. Basic instruction refers to whether the software is used in a classroom as an ebook, or is the software used independently by individual outside the classroom. The reinforcement considers uh, how the software is used to help assess a student's performance. It could be unit-based test banks or benchmark test banks used by the teachers, or the software can include self-tests, which are taken by the students individually. And the enhancement part refers to stimulation, like labs in the classroom, or individual research assignments, mainly done through using a computer. As I told earlier, basic instruction, there are two parts. If the software is used in class uh, in a lab setting and shared instruction, which is the first part, or is it used, the software is used individually. If the software is used in a lab setting and shared instruction, the school buys the software, and a language teacher who knows how to operate the software and troubleshoot is available in class, and also a lab aid may be necessary to ensure that the software operates properly and time is not wasted with computer malfunctions. I currently work in a school where all the textbooks have been replaced by ebooks, and the first week of the school year is just to teach students how to use the softwares, and that sometimes can be frustrating because the computers are different and some softwares are not compatible with Macintosh. Uh, the second one is independent and self-paced environment. In this case, students learn the language outside the school's existing curriculum, and here teachers act as mentors to see if the student has made the progress, or to overcome or help overcome students' difficulties. Teachers also certify a student completion of the course, of course. The second part for evaluating software for teaching foreign languages is reinforcement, as discussed earlier. Most of this technology is mostly based on CD-ROM, and these CD-ROMs come with a well-developed package of materials. These materials are comprehensive and have increased in their ability. The materials address assessment and reinforcement. Usually, the CD or the package provided contain test banks, which are very useful for the teachers. These tests could be based on each unit, or it could be midterm test or final exam test, or the test could be organized based on the standards and benchmarks. By using the test banks, scoring, test item analysis, and grading are processed in a significantly short period of time. Also, the software provides tracking students' progress through the lesson. There are drill and practice exercises, vocabulary development, and reviews of grammar and idiomatic expressions available on the software. Sound is a crucial part of these softwares. Pronunciation of the foreign terms of phrases are provided, which makes it much easier for the student to practice and learn how to pronounce a new word or new sounds, which was actually really difficult before without using the softwares, where the students had to learn a new language actually to how to read the pronunciations in each different dictionary. But now it's actually faster and easier. And also different accents are provided. Usually British pronunciation and American pronunciation are provided in most softwares. And there is a tutorial for those who do not respond sufficiently to the formative questions. And there is also a self-test component in the softwares for students to check their progress periodically. The third part of evaluating a software for teaching a foreign language is an enhancement. This enhancement includes stimulation and individual computer assignments. If the assignment is for the whole class, it can a lab configuration with a file server or a network can be used. Or if there are some gifted students in class, they can be assigned individual assignments to work through their computers and can be shared with the class later. And how to evaluate a software for teaching a foreign language? There are 5 criteria, or namely content, management, ease of use, general design, and mode of instruction, each of which are graded as poor, fair, and good. If it's poor, the grade would be 0 to 10, fair 11 to 20, good 21 to 30. Content shows how accurate the software is. Is it age and level appropriate? And is the software differentiated? By differentiated, we mean that there are different tests for different students with different levels of progress. And management refers to support materials, test banks, and again, these questions differentiated for different students with different needs. And this, the third criteria for evaluating foreign language software is ease of use. As you know, sometimes using a new software could be frustrating, so a good software must be user-friendly. And the general design, of course, it should be easy to run different devices, different computers with different be like Windows or Macintosh, or different types of Windows. It should be compatible with most of the systems available, and the quality of images and text are also in the part of the rubric. And the last criteria is the mode of instruction, which considers the standards and the benchmarks. The software must cover all the standards and benchmarks needed in each context, in each country or city, and are the native speakers involved in creating the software. And then here you can see some examples of the best educational software available in the market with their evaluation. The first one, instant immersion. The category is instruction. As you remember, there were three categories: instruction, reinforcement, and enhancement. And the grade for content is 21, which is good. Management also 20. Ease of use 25. That means it's a very user-friendly software. And the total out of these three, the instant immersion got 66. The other example could be complete grammar series, which has the category of reinforcement. And the content 24, management 21, ease of use 23. This is also user-friendly, but not as user-friendly as instant immersion is. And total of 68.